So in question number 5 of this first exercise, we'll have to match the nets with their appropriate solids. So here in this question we see there are two set of figures. So this is the set of solids and this is the set of nets. Now let us take each of the solids one by one to find out their respective nets. So if we consider the first one, which we see is a cube which consists of 6 square faces. So based on this observation on the right hand side, we see that the second net consists of 6 square faces. So this net can be used to form the cube. So hence we can say for the cube the second net would be the appropriate net. Let us move on to the next solid, which is a cylinder. Now in case of a cylinder, we see that the top face and the bottom face, they are both circles. So based on this observation, we can say that the third net consists of 2 circles at both its ends. So the third one is an appropriate net for the cylinder. Moving on to the third part, which is a cone, which consists of a circle at its base, which is here. So based on this observation, the remaining two options, that is the fourth and the first option, we see that there is circle only in the fourth option. So hence we can say that for this solid, this fourth option is the appropriate net. Then moving on to the last figure of the set, which is a pyramid. So in this case again we are just left with one of the options, which consists of 1 square and 4 triangles, and even this solid consists of 4 triangles at its faces. So these are the faces which we can see, and at the base it consists of a square which is there in the net present in the first option. So hence we can match this one with the first option to say that this is the appropriate net for this given solid. So these are the ways through which we can match these solids with these respective nets. This is how we are going to answer question number 5.
To know more about how QMath can help you become a master of math, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program taught by highly experienced and committed teachers.